We are starting right away, and the first website that I want you to visit is Userfeel.com. This application is not as common as the other ones you've probably heard of and visited yourself. Well, you're in for a treat because you can be one of the few people that has the advantage of knowing about this, and you can start using it right away while others have yet to discover it. Once you search for their website, you'll see more information on their homepage. To put it simply, Userfeel.com is a platform that'll allow you to test multiple websites or applications, and they'll pay you just for doing so. We know that there are always new platforms, applications, and websites that are being created, and those companies or businesses want someone to test their websites or applications to look for any bugs or problems. That way, they'll be able to fix it and give their clients and customers a better experience. If you think of this, it's definitely a win-win situation where you can help them find the problem and you'll be paid in return. This is where Userfeel.com comes in, because companies that want their apps tested will pay this website to find people who will test different applications. Although it's not as popular as the other websites that offer the same service, it's undeniable that Userfeel.com has a lot of users all over the globe. Some of the companies that use this website are 99 Designs, McKinsey & Company, and 1Password. If you want to learn more about this platform, then feel free to scroll through their website because they have so much information in there that'll show you that they're legitimate and that there are many people that have been using this one. According to the website, Userfeel is a multilingual usability and user testing tool. Their panel has over 130,000 translators that speak 40 different languages. You'll also see their features and what clients can do once they avail the service of Userfeel. The next step that I want you to take is to scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. I want you to click on the Tester FAQs under the Tester section. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to a new page. You'll have almost all the answers to your questions relative to what you're going to do as a tester in user experience. They say for a 10 to 20-minute test, you'll be able to earn as much as $10. I mean, that's a good amount considering that you're only spending a bit of your time to accomplish each test. I suggest that you learn, read, and understand every detail on this page because this will help you know everything that you should know about the do's and don'ts in accomplishing the tests. Anyway, before we move any further with this video, I would appreciate it if you like this video and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel to see more useful content like this one. Going back to the video, they also mentioned on this page that you won't be spending anything in order to be a tester here. This opportunity is completely free, and you'll likely have the chance to be a tester in a user-friendly environment, no matter what country you're living in. You're also not required to put your real name, so if you're worrying that they or the other applications that you'll test will do something shady with your information, then worry no more because personal details like your real name are not necessary. So be as honest as you can be when conducting the tests. Although there will be a qualification test, it's really not a big deal because you just need to make sure that the microphone in whatever device you're using is functioning. You might also be wondering how you're going to withdraw or cash out your money. Then the answer is through PayPal or Amazon gift cards. I suggest that if you're looking for any money-making opportunities online, then the first thing that you should set up after your device is your PayPal account. Not only is this convenient, but almost every website and platform like this will pay you through PayPal, so it's important to get ready so that you'll be able to get your money right away once you're done with your tasks or tests. Now, if you're ready to start your journey with Userfeel, you just have to scroll down a bit more and click on the button that says Become a Tester. After that, you'll be taken to another page and you'll just have to fill out the form that you'll see. Like what I said earlier, you're allowed to not use your real name when conducting the actual test, but your information on this page should be accurate because we're using it to register and create your own free account. Once you're done, you can move forward and go test as many applications as you can. The second website that I want to share with you is Honeygain.com. You'll see the statement right away when you visit their website saying, "Passive income effortlessly." The process for the first one might be a walk in the park, but the second website can be a bit tougher. This is because you'll have to share your internet in order to earn from this website. I want to tell you right away that you won't be risking your information or yourself if you do this because that is one of Honeygain's priorities, to keep you secure. They stated that Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. Their website has all the information that you'll need to make sure that this one is safe and that you can really earn here without compromising your safety. Take all the time that you need to read through what they do on their homepage. You'll only be taking 5 steps in order to get paid through Honeygain. The first one is to set it up, then run Honey again. After that, let it gather, then help businesses. Lastly, you'll get paid. You might have doubted this platform when you first heard of what they're about to do, but I bet earning from this website is so much easier than the first one. The last website that I'll be sharing with you is moneyapp.org. Most of you might have heard of this because it's kind of popular compared to the first one. You can take advantage of this application whether you use Apple or Android because it's available both in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. It has a relatively high rating in the App Store, which not only means that there are a lot of people using this, but almost all of them are enjoying this application. You'll earn money in Money App by doing various tasks that you can choose from. If you're curious about the things that you can do in this app, then make sure that you download it right away. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you find value in content like this.